Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You must start with access and a safe rollback. Verify you have an admin account and export or snapshot current settings so you can recover if needed. Once done, notify stakeholders and set a maintenance window to avoid live impact. Make sure to record the app version and any services that depend on the admin app. This prevents unexpected outages. Begin the process now by opening the admin console and locating the app entry you intend to deactivate. You next isolate and disable the admin app to prevent new activity. First, enable maintenance or read-only mode so no new sessions start. This preserves state. Then stop dependent services in a controlled order, logging each command and timestamp so you can trace actions. After that, immediately revoke active tokens and disable API keys and tighten firewall rules to block external access. These steps reduce risk while you complete the deactivation. You now complete the deactivation by running the platform's decommission or uninstall routine for the admin app. Follow prompts to remove artifacts and schedule tasks. Once finished, run system health checks, confirm dependent services recovered, and restore traffic gradually while monitoring logs and metrics. If things go wrong, immediately revert the exported snapshot or restore the specific configuration you saved earlier. Check the deactivation logs for errors. Then repeat the controlled shutdown steps with corrected parameters to avoid repeating the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.